Hi Melissa, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and thank you so much for your inquiry regarding SEO package. In this video, I will run a quick, sort of very general website critique to just to help you pinpoint any areas that that might currently affect your conversion rate, and obviously check basic SEO. So I'm on your home page and I can see the pop-up. It's actually very nice. The only thing is the size. Obviously, as you can see, it doesn't display in full. It doesn't display. It's only this disclaimer text that doesn't display in full. But it would be great to optimize it so all of the elements are being visible within the window. But otherwise than that, it is nice. It offers 15% off on the first order. It's got an image of a toddler, so it shows your visitors what you're selling, which is perfect. The homepage looks absolutely fantastic. I love the website template colors. I think you went a little bit away from pink and blue, which is such a generic and boring color for kids stuff. And I think with this kind of template you actually get more interest from parents, maybe looking for something more original, something more unique for their children, which is absolutely fantastic. You've got free 2-day shipping on orders over $50, so people know that they can save on shipping if they spend more. So this is obviously helping you sell more, or for people to make bigger orders. My wish list is fine, but as you can see, it overlaps other elements. Maybe it would be great to optimize this button a little bit better so it doesn't overlap on a content as much. So you've got a link here to new arrivals, student accessories. It's all hyperlinked. As I can see, it's linking to the right collections. You've got very stylish product images, collection images. So free shipping on all orders. It's a little bit confusing because you had a little bit different message here that the shipping is free only on orders over $50. So that's a little bit confusing. Would be great. Yeah, and you've got this info here. So for me, it means they send a little bit like different signal, whether it is free shipping on all orders or is it free shipping on orders over $50. If it is a free shipping that is, for example, 7-day long, it would be great to specify it. Otherwise it creates confusion. Maybe like free standard shipping or free expedited shipping on orders over $50. So maybe that creates a bigger classification. Chat with us. Would be great to hyperlink it, either link it to the contact us page or hyperlink the email address so it opens in a new pop-up so people can contact you right away. Only this element is hyperlinked, so it would be great to all of those 4 to hyperlink. So really nice website template, beautiful colors. So you've got authentic image, you've got reviews, perfect. Okay, it seems like the new arrivals image is missing. I think it's the... Oh no, it's new arrivals. Okay, it's like a block, color block. Okay, I see. The images, this particular section, I wouldn't say that is really giving justification to the products that you're selling, because you've got beautiful images and they seem to be a little bit crammed together, and the sizing image that is displayed on the hover, as you can see, it's too small to view it from as it is displayed now. So maybe a different image on a hover could work better. And obviously the sizing can work on a product page, but as the second image of the product, maybe use different image. This summer's wardrobe stable. So this is all up to date because this is summertime. It's a nice video. That's quite beautiful. It's really eye-catching. Oh, it's really nice, really sweet. And you've got sandals right below, which is great. Got search bar here. And search bar here as well, perfect. Okay, you've got blog posts, got Instagram feed, everything so far looks great. As you can see, again, there is a tab that overlaps the text here, so it would be great to either change the location of the reviews section of the reviews tab so it doesn't overlap the footer text. But otherwise, yeah, I love the colors and I love the template. I know this particular template. I think it's I don't remember the name, but I worked with this template for one of my clients lately. This is Nine Rewards, Earned Rewards programs. This is great. You open social media in new tabs. So this is just a basic free critique. I won't be analyzing further. I won't be analyzing product page, collection page, or any other pages at this stage. Obviously, it will be done once we start the project. But this is just a very general information, very general critique. When it comes to the SEO, I'm not sure how long have you been established, but 43 out of 100 is something that tells me that there's definitely area to improve. Ideally, you would be looking for a score for this particular website. You would be looking for a score between 50 and 60, so that definitely is something that we can work on. Your Google snippet for the home page is a little bit too short. Would be great to add more specific to grab the attention in the search results. Obviously this is a little bit too generic. It doesn't really reflect all those beautiful things that you are selling, so it would be great to define your branding and write a meta description that catches the eye and really prompts people to click your listing. That's important really to define this snippet, because you want people to click it each time that they see it in the search results. So this is the listing that's been displayed in search results. If people don't click it, Google actually might drop it from the results as non-relevant for the particular search. So it would be great. I mean, it would be not only great, it's quite necessary right now to really make it stand out from your competition, to make people click the listing. Yeah, your hashtags are actually very, very well defined. So you've got a majority of them have got keywords, which is great. Would be great also to use them in more variety, such as H2, H1, H2, H3, H4, and so on. The content maybe could include more keywords, because at the moment the most repeated words are icon down chevron, so definitely there's something to work on as well. Your website is mobile friendly, which is fantastic. You don't have many broken links, only few. I assume that you're affiliated with Amazon, or you sell on Amazon as well and you link to Amazon from your website, but some of the links are obviously broken. Your website has got a good speed, but ideally, if you wanted to focus on the speed, there are some areas that we can work on as well, so that's also an area to improve. So I hope you found this review useful, and as I mentioned in the email, we will have a free initial chat to talk about your goals. Where would you like to go? How would you like to connect with your target audience, and obviously who's your target audience. So we'll discuss all this during the free chat, and I look forward to chatting with you soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.